Living things can be classified into 5 groups. These are called kingdoms. Each kingdom contains organisms that have similar characteristics. The 5 kingdoms are animals, plants, fungi, bacteria, protists. Animals are multicellular organisms. They feed on other living things. Plants are multicellular organisms. They make their own food through the process of photosynthesis. Fungi. These cells can be unicellular or multicellular. For example, mushrooms, yeast. They can't produce their own food. Instead, they feed on organic matter. Bacteria. These are unicellular organisms. Bacteria is found everywhere. Protists. These are mainly unicellular organisms that live in water. For example, algae and chlorella. Some produce their own food or get food from the environment.